So finding the discriminant, remember that's that part under the square root sign, b squared minus 4 times a times c. You're going to need to memorize that. Well, you're going to memorize the whole quadratic formula. This is just a part of it. Finding the discriminant helps us determine the number of real solutions for a quadratic equation. And now remember, the number of solutions is also the number of x-intercepts. This is useful when we're graphing. So let's determine the number of solutions for each of these questions using the discriminant. Pause a moment, write down the discriminant formula. Let's do number 1 together. We see that a is 3, b is -1, c equals 2. Our discriminant is b squared minus 4 times a times c. The discriminant equals -23. We're supposed to determine the number of solutions. When the discriminant is less than 0, we know that there are no real solutions. There are imaginary solutions. Pause your video and use the discriminant to find the number of solutions for question 2. It may have helped you when you were doing this question to write out the standard form, including 0x, so that we can see that b equals 0. Now we have 0 plus 20 times 7, 140. Our discriminant is greater than 0. We see we have 2 real solutions. Now, the square root of 140 is an irrational number. So we know that these are going to be irrational solutions. That means they'll still have a radical in them. We can probably simplify that radical, but there are 2 solutions. Pause your video, find the number of solutions in questions 3 and 4. So in question 3, we have 64 minus 0. We have a discriminant greater than 0. That means there will be 2 real solutions. Notice that this time we would have the square root of 64. It's not like 140 that we had over here. 64 is a perfect square. We would have nice integer or fractional answers for question 3. In question 4, -14 squared, I think 14 squared is 196, minus, well, 4 times 9 is 36. This one equals 0. When it equals 0, remember that this means we have 1 real solution.